So hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about the different settings that is done in the plot. Usually the best available tool nowadays in the market is my Origin. So we are going to do the plotting. So we have the data from the adsorption analysis. So you can see here we are going to plot dosage versus adsorption capacity. So already what we have done, we have picked the data from here, so we just need to copy. So already the data is imported here, you can see, and also this is already here. Now what we all need to do is we will simply control and then we will say plot, and then we will choose line plus symbol. Okay, you can also draw other plots also. Now what you can see here, already the legends are here. Okay, so now we will do other settings. We will choose the line and we want to make this as 3, so we'll just say okay. And then for other settings you can just click and then bold. Similarly for this one, bold, and this one you can give this a name QE milligram. Okay, now suppose here you want to add, so this is a prefix or suffix, so you just click and then add this one, and then you want to bold, so you can select and then bold, and similarly this one bold, and then this one we need to change the axis. So for example we give 120 here and then apply and then see, okay, so that the legends fit here properly. And then we have the grids, so we choose this, and then this line and ticks, want to make the line big, more thick, so we can choose thick, and similarly this one. And now you can also choose these one if you want to choose in out. Okay, I will just leave like this. And then if you want to give a title, you give a title here, so I'll just say apply and then okay. And for this one specifically giving, because this is our discussion topic here, so what we need to do is we will just simply select one by one and bold. We cannot do it, and then also here, so this is 20 milligram, and then this is, we need to add -1, and then we need to select these and bold. And similarly this one, it is 60, and then we can select all and then bold. So this is a demerit here. If you want to do it together, you cannot do, so you have to select each time separately and then you can. And similarly this one, so we can select here and then together and then bold. You cannot select all and do the bold. Okay, now similarly this one to be and we would say okay. You can see here now all the legends are bold. and if you want to remove this frame, so you choose none, and then you are done. Now the next task is to, you see here there is still looking way, so we can just put some gap here, and here also, then okay. Now you see it's looking much better. Similarly we can put a gap here also. Now if you want to export the graph, so you can just choose, and then you choose TIFF. Usually we choose TIFF, and then we need to give a name, suppose effective dosage, and then we say this is congruent die. Okay, and then we need to specify the path, suppose desktop, and then we need to say okay. And if suppose you want to see where it is stored, so you can see here, this is here, okay, and you can just paste this to your Word file or PPT, whatever you want. So this was all about the how to play with the other settings that is in the origin. Okay.